Hey there, it's Tom the English Picker here. It's first thing in the morning and I've had a message off a supplier that I've been dealing with for years that he has come across a pallet of new sealed Xbox 360 games. And I'm just finishing a cup of tea, finishing my breakfast. I'm going to get in the car and go down there and have a look because this could be crazy. I don't think it's a full pallet. I think it's like a half pallet, but a Euro half pallet. But still, I don't know how much he wants for it. But yeah, let's get on the road and go and have a look. I'm absolutely roasting. But yeah, got there. Gonna go and have a look. But I've been told that they're all the same title and it's a sports title. So if they're cheap, I'll get them. But if not, yeah, let's go and have a look. So here it is. Here is the pallet. I've lost my damn mind. I've just got it delivered by the bloke down to my place. And there is 2,250 here. And they are all FIFA 12. I've lost my mind. I've absolutely lost them. I've just lost it. Completely lost it. So yeah, I paid £200 for this, which, okay, is a lot of money. I did think initially I could sell them as replacement cases when I found out that they were just FIFA, but I think I'm going to sell them box 25 for £23, including postage and fees if people are paying, you know, my PayPal, that kind of thing. I'm going to put them on eBay for a little bit more because of the eBay fees, but yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So just sell them as replacement cases. Okay, there are people who've got them listed for $3.99, $4.99 free postage, but with the time it would take me to store all of these, I need to get them gone. So do you think I've lost my mind? Let me know in the comment section below. I did pick up some other bits, some CDs and stuff when I was there as well, but yeah, I really wish it had been a much better game. That could have been insane, but he's going to keep his eyes peeled, see if there's anything else. But it's just mad that this is sat for 13 years just chilling. So if you like this kind of video about buying things and selling them online and turning side incomes to full-time sustainable profit, drop us a sub and click this one here for another video like it. I'll see you all in the next one.